What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. We are back. This time we're at Copart in Danville, Virginia. This is a very small yard, so there's not going to be a whole lot of cars here, but they do have a couple of, actually a few really interesting cars. Monkey Wrench Mike is actually doing his own Copart walk around right now. He's somewhere out there filming himself. So go check it out. This is his first time doing a Copart walk around on his own. His link will be down below. Definitely go show the man some love for giving us so much help. He has been an invaluable asset to the asset. It sounds like he's a car. No, he's been an amazing friend, and he's taken a lot of time out of his personal schedule to help me with this. So let's do him a favor. Let's show him some love and get him some views on his channel. Go check out Monkey Wrench Mike on YouTube. Now let's jump into this. Should we? No, we're not going to start with this. We're not. This is a 1973 Plymouth Valiant Scamp. And you may have already seen a video about it, I don't know. Then you got, for Monkey Wrench Mike, you know him. He's a Mercedes guy. He loves these cars, so he picked up, I don't know why, a W220, a 2001 Mercedes-Benz S600 V12. And we're going to try to take these two cars back to Oklahoma. Good luck with that, to both of us. We're going to need it. We can kind of just peruse the lot out here because everything for sale is, it's all right here. It's easy to find. It's easy to get to. I don't know, you guys interested in a Dodge Caravan? This is a donation, and it's got 236,000 miles. And boy, does it have some rust. I guess Virginia gets rust. I'm not from this part of the country. I lived in North Carolina for a while, but I didn't realize Virginia got rust like that. I guess it does, though, man. Wow, whoo. Look at this. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's no joke, guys. That's no joke. This thing's got, I feel like I need a tetanus shot just to come out here and look at this. Good Lord. These things really, oh, what happened there? Okay, well, you can buy this right now. It has a buy it now of 900 bucks. 900 bucks. Okay, I'm trying to put some of this back in here. There we go. $900, and this could be yours. Honestly, I think there's a better chance of this thing. Oh, wow, look at all the dog hair in the seats. Ew, gross. I think there's a better shot of this thing making it back to Oklahoma than Mike's S600 or my Plymouth Scamp. I don't know. Hey, she's a little rough, guys. We'll take a quick look under the hood, though. I know we're standing next to some really cool cars, and we're showing these. It's okay. Oh, wow. Oh, boy, the corrosion is real on this one. Yeah. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I know those of you from the Rust Belt up here, like, you're used to this, but for folks like me, we don't see rust like this. We just don't get rust like this in Oklahoma. Cars last for hundreds of years. They never rot. You know, they just break down and you fix them. It looks like some of these cars, man, rust is the end for them. Like, they might still run perfectly, but eventually the car breaks in half when you're going down the highway. I gotta hear it. I'll bet she still runs like a top, though. I do. I'll bet she does. It's sad to see something that if this van had been in Oklahoma, she'd still be going. She really would. She'd still be going strong, man. Here we go. Let's see. I guarantee you, watch this. Watch her fire right up. Okay, well, she's got a little misfire. That's all right. I think something just fell out from under the van. I heard a loud crash. Okay, she's running better now. She just needed to be started. Air conditioning. No. Ooh. What is that smell? It's got power steering. Boy, that smells bad. That smells real bad. What is that? Oh. Okay, she just took her dying breath. That's what that was. Okie dokie. Well, yeah, this could be yours for 900 bucks. It just needs an alternator and you know, a body, and you'd be good to go. Next on my list, I know, you're wondering why. Guys, not everything has to be Ferraris, Lambos, and McLarens, all right? Sometimes just regular, good old average cars are good enough. This is what most people are gonna be out here driving anyway, all right? 172,000 miles on this old Caliber, 2011. The rust, well, what rust? I don't see any rust on this one. Flat tire, that's cool. It's got a tire back there. Hopefully it's not a busted rim. The body looks good on it, relatively. Yeah, this doesn't look too bad. Let's pop the hood real quick. Let's see what she looks like under here. Oh, it's got an interstate battery. That's a good sign. It's a sign that somebody loved it. If you love your car, you get it an interstate battery. One of those coils does not look like the others. All right, just to save time, because I know it's not going to start, right? Everything's usually dead. Let's go ahead and just save some time here. Throw a booster pack up on it real quick. And then we'll see if she wants to run, because it is listed as a run and drive. My booster pack seems to be dying kind of quickly. I wonder if this one's giving up the ghost here. This one's old. That GB150 there, I've had that a long time. Okay, the interior's not too bad. It smells average. Not bad, not great. I bet you could get this for next to nothing. Bet you could get this cheap. Ready? Ooh. That didn't sound quite right. Sounded like maybe the starter's getting weak on the old girl. We have an immediate check engine light, ABS light, TPMS light, low fuel light, brake light, battery light. Huh. All right, well, a bad battery can cause all kinds of stuff to go crazy on these, so I'd probably bet the battery's probably causing most of these problems. Let's go ahead and put it in gear. Do we have gears? Backwards, yep. And forwards, yes. Air conditioning. Oh, it smells like rotten gas. Oh, that is rotten fuel. Ooh. Oh my God. You know what? Let's shut this off. Hold on. That almost smells like raw gas, guys. That smells like raw fuel, but rotten fuel. Like really, really old. There's your fuel injectors, fuel rail. No, I don't see any gas under there. It could be the exhaust. I find that very difficult to believe. I think this thing may have a fuel leak somewhere between the tank coming up to the engine, because I smelled fuel real strong. But this wasn't like gasoline, guys. This was like rotten varnish. Oh yeah, look, you could see from the gas tank here. This thing's been sitting a long time. Oh wow. Okay, oh my. How is it even running? What do you think happened? It's maybe a transmission. I don't know. This car has obviously sat for a very long time. So I'm just gonna take a bet and say this probably has some kind of mechanical issue. And for that reason, guess what we're gonna do? We are gonna walk away, move on to the next one. Last one on my list, how about a Dodge Ram 1500 with a Hemi, baby, 5.7. She looks pretty good. Rust? No, not really. Well, hold on, what is this? What happened here? Okay, so something's missing under here. The inner fender liner is gone. You have wires. If you turn that wheel, all of this is going straight to the tire there, so you'd want to address that pretty quick. But the frame rail looks pretty good. A little bit of rust underneath, but nothing too serious. Got a little bit of rot going on over the fenders here, over the wheel wells here. Pretty common. Again, you know, that's pretty bad rust right there. But you know, overall, not bad. Not bad, guys. 4x4 off-road SLT package. Bald tires all the way around, no extra charge. Those are free, guys. Bald tires come for free. How's the interior look? It still has a dashboard. She's well loved, well used. 300,000 miles on the clock. Honestly, it's pretty impressive, guys. 300,000 miles, that's pretty impressive. It's listed as a run and drive. All right. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, there's spider webs in the doors. that's funny. There's spider webs all in here. Obviously, again, this vehicle too had to have ended up parked. The keys are missing. The keys are missing. Now, oh no, the keys are right here. And so's the title. The title is right there too. Sweet, I just got me another car. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't do that. Is that even the right key? Uh-oh. That's the right key, isn't it? Maybe she's got to have power. I don't know. Let's pop the hood. Hood's already popped. Let's see what things are looking like under the hood here. Throw a booster pack on it and see if maybe it just needs a battery. It needs, ooh, wow, that hood is heavy. Maybe she just needs power. I don't think so though, guys. I think the key should turn whether you got power or not. Those are some aftermarket jobs right there. I'm gonna have to do this, and then we're gonna have to come right back. All right, we gave her some juice. I didn't hear anything make any types of noise or nothing. Like, oh, we got miles. That key. I don't think that key goes. Maybe that's, no, it's got a chip. Let me see, is there another key in here somewhere that I'm missing? Nope. Clicker, which works, but there we go. Oh wow. Wow. All right. Hey, she fired up. Important window? Sort of. There's a loud noise coming from the engine there. That doesn't sound healthy. Brakes, yes. Goes in gear, yes. Backwards. Forwards. Oh, that don't sound good. Guys, I'm gonna shut that off. That doesn't make short work of this. That doesn't sound good at all. And it sounds like something bad's about to happen under there. So I think we're gonna call that a wrap on this truck. Ooh, and with that, well, hell, that's a wrap for this video. So do me a favor, if you enjoyed today's video, hit the thumbs up button. Go check out Monkey Wrench Mike. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'd truly appreciate it. And until next time, stay safe out there, everybody. I look forward to seeing you all again very soon in the next one.